Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Fantom Drive's VENOM7, a 2TB internal NVMe Gen 4 SSD that's making some serious waves in the storage world. This little stick promises big performance for desktops, laptops, and even your PlayStation 5, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions are positive. The slim M.2 2280 form factor ensures maximum compatibility, which is a huge plus. No one wants to buy a drive only to find out it won't fit in their system. Fantom Drives has clearly considered this, making the VENOM7 a versatile option for a wide range of devices. But compatibility is only half the battle. Performance is where the VENOM7 really aims to shine. With advertised read speeds of up to 7,300 megabytes, this drive is gunning for the top spot. In real-world use, that translates to lightning-fast boot times, near-instant game loading, and snappy application performance. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who demands speed, the VENOM7 has the potential to seriously boost your workflow. The drive utilizes dynamic caching, a smart feature that optimizes performance and endurance. This is crucial for maintaining consistent speeds over time and extending the lifespan of the SSD. It's not just about initial burst speeds, it's about sustained performance, and the dynamic caching helps ensure that. Installation is a breeze, especially if you're familiar with M.2 drives. Simply slot it into any Gen 4 motherboard, and you're good to go. And for those with older systems, the VENOM7 is backward compatible with PCI Gen 3, 2, and 1, offering a degree of future-proofing. It truly is designed as an ultimate M.2 SSD for PC, laptops, desktops, and gaming. Under the hood, the VENOM7 is infused with 3D NAND TLC technology. This type of flash memory offers a good balance of performance, endurance, and cost, making it a popular choice for high-performance SSDs. Fantom Drives has also included a suite of features to enhance reliability and data integrity. Trim support helps maintain performance over time by cleaning up and used data blocks. Smart, self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology provides valuable insights into the drive's health, allowing you to proactively address any potential issues. The LDPC ECC algorithm further protects against data corruption, ensuring your files remain safe and sound. Additional features like bad block management, dynamic wear leveling, and smart refresh contribute to the overall longevity and stability of the drive. These are the kinds of details that separate a good SSD from a great one. In conclusion, the Fantom Drive's VENOM7 appears to be a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. Its combination of speed, compatibility, and reliability make it a strong contender in the crowded NVMe SSD market. If you're in the market for a new drive, the VENOM7 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.